Veer Anuwal, Garima Yadav, Aditya Yadav. A very good morning to all of you. So, myself Lalit Verma, as you all know. So today I take a English language class. In my previous class, I completed the definition of conjunction and some examples and some exercises in the book. So I move forward the exercise number 2. Okay, so open your English language book. The chapter name is conjunction and the chapter number is 26. Good morning. Just open the camera. Just open your camera, everyone. Everyone, just open your camera. So open page number 83. Open page number 83. So before starting the exercise number 2, I take a quick revision to all of you. So Devansh Singh, tell me about what is the definition of conjunction. Devansh Singh, just tell me about the definition of conjunction. You know the answer? Have you know the answer? Anyone know the answer? What is the definition of conjunction?
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Conjunction is a joining word.
Yes.
Joining word is joined or is together.
Yeah, very good. A conjunction is a joining word. It helps to join word or sentence together. Okay. So this is the definition of conjunction I taught you in my previous class, and I also write down some examples of conjunction. So Richa Singh, give me an example of conjunction where we use conjunction.
Yes, sir.
Give me an example where we use conjunction. Aditri Dwivedi, Veer Anuwal, anyone know the answer? Example of conjunction? Devansh, you know the answer?
Sir, I went to the library. It was closed.
Yes. I went to the library but it was closed. So here, but is the conjunction to combine the both sentences. The first sentence is I went to the library but it was closed. Okay. So now move towards the exercise number 2. So open your book and page number 83, and the second exercise is exercise number 2. So the first question is fill in the blank. With suitable conjunction fill the blank with suitable conjunction given in the box. exercise number 2. Read this first sentence. Fill in the blank in suitable connection given in the box. So here is a pin box is given. See this? A pin box is given, and in the pin box there is some conjunction are there. So the first conjunction is that, and the second conjunction is if. Though is the third, and the before and after is the fourth and fifth respectively. So your first question is, it poured so heavily dash the roof
Good morning, sir.
good morning. The roof started to leak. Okay, it poured so heavily that the roof started to leak. So what we fill in this blank as a conjunction? Answer it. Does anyone know the answer? Yes?
The answer is that.
The answer is that. Who said that? Divyan Singh, आपने बोला that? Who said that? Divyan Singh, you? You said that?
Me. No.
Okay, Richa Singh, you answer it. That. Okay. So it poured so heavily that the roof started to leak. So the answer is that. This is the correct answer. Write down the that in the first blank. The second question is, I will be upset dash you don't come
Sir, the answer is if.
wait to my party I will be upset dash you don't come to my party. That means
The answer is
if I will be
The
upset,
answer is
if. So the answer is if. I will be upset if you don't come to my party. Like your friend invite you in your birthday party and you don't come there, so your friend become very unhappy or upset. So if you don't go their party, they will become upset or he will become upset. So I will be upset if you don't come to my party. The third one is bring in the dry goods.
34. 34. 34 is 34. 34 answer is
Very good. Your response is very good.
Let's 34.
Very good. It starts raining. Bring in the dry clothes. It starts raining. So the answer is before. So before, after, that, unless, in, into, that, these are all the conjunctions. These are all the conjunctions or not? Or this is the proposition? Tell me. That is the conjunction. That is the conjunction, yes or not? Or that is the proposition. What is that? That word is conjunction or preposition? Yeah, very good. If is the conjunction or preposition. What is if word? Is it conjunction or preposition? Yes?
Conjunction.
Yeah, conjunction. If is also conjunction. That is also a conjunction. But it's also a conjunction. After is also conjunction. Unless is also conjunction. So you have to write before as a conjunction to join both sentences. The first sentence is bring in the dry clothes. The second sentence is it is start running. So we combine both sentences with the help of word before. So before is the conjunction in that sentence. Now the fourth one. We entered. We entered the movie hall. The movie hall dash the movie had begun. So what is meant as a conjunction in this sentence?
So answer is this.
Answer is?
If.
Are you sure? No, the answer is not if. The answer is before. We entered the movie hall before the movie began. Okay. पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले हम लोग पिक्चर हॉल में पहुंच गए थे. So the meaning of this sentence is we entered the movie hall before the movie began. We don't use if in this sentence. Okay, so correct your sentence. You have to write before here. Okay, now I will have the first question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have the first
Yes,
question.
sir.
And the second one?
Yes, sir.
And the third one?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And the fourth one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
So, after completing this period, I will give you a YouTube link of this exercise. So, you have to complete that work from that video also. Okay, if you don't complete any of your work in this chapter of conjunction, you have to see that video and do all your work. Okay. So I will give you a YouTube link so you all do their work from that video. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay, sir.
the fifth one is dash. It is known the entire night, comma, the sky was clear. The sky was clear without sun. So what we have to fill as a conjunction in this sentence is a mighty word. So what we have to fill here?
Answer is.
Yes?
Answer is the.
Mohammed Tawqir, what we have to fill here as a conjunction?
Sir, after.
After?
After.
No beta. We don't
Sir,
put
is.
after here. The correct answer is no.
Sir, is.
Though it is snow, the entire night the sky was clear the next morning. Yes? No, though is the correct answer. Though is the correct answer. Okay, now the sixth one is, will you forgive me that I say sorry? Will you forgive me dash?
Answer.
No,
Answer is if.
no, the answer is
Answer.
if.
The answer is if.
Yes, very good. Will you forgive me if I say sorry? क्या आप मुझे माफ कर दोगे? ओके, अगर मैं आपसे सॉरी मांग लूंगा. So if means अगर मैं आपसे माफी मांगूंगा. So in English, will you forgive me if I say sorry? The seventh one is, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Dash. I can fall asleep right now. So what we have to add here as an addition?
The answer is that.
That.
Answer is that.
Everyone agree with that? We have to fill that as an addition to combine the both sentences. Tell me, we have to use add that word. Adya Singh, what we fill in this blank? You know the answer? Yes or no? Adya Singh?
The answer is that.
Yeah, very good. I am so tired that I can fall asleep. Write down that. Now the next question, question number 8. We must make dash. We have army.
Sir, the answer is before.
Yes, very good. We must say before. We have army. Before meal, I mean the lunch or the dinner, we pray to God for before our meal. The ninth one is, the teacher left. The teacher
The
left
answer is up.
the class.
Answer is up.
Yes, beta. Very
The
good.
answer.
The bell rang. When teacher left the class, tell me, when teacher left the class? After the bell rang.
Sir,
So we have to put after as a conjunction to combine both sentences. Now the last one is, 10th question is, Dash is poor. Dash he is poor. He is honest. It means वो गरीब है और वो ईमानदार भी है. So what we have to put as a conjunction, he is poor मतलब वो गरीब है, he is honest मतलब वो ईमानदार है. So what we have to put here? Anyone know the answer?
dog.
Yes?
The dog. The dog.
Yeah.
The dog.
The answer is no.
P-H-O-U.
Though he is poor, he is honest. 5 minutes to write all the answers. So again, we revise that topic again. Conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word. A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words or sentences together. As we see all the examples, all the exercise, that conjunction is joining two words or two sentences together. Like, will you forgive me if I say sorry? Here two sentences are given. So if is combined to four sentences. Now, I also taught you about some conjunction word. Let us revise that conjunction word again. So the word is and, but, because, or, unless, that, if, though, before, and after. So this is all the conjunction words. You have to know about that because these conjunctions are used in your book, in your exercise. So you have to learn all the conjunction words and you have to learn the conjunction definition and examples. Okay? So everyone just take a picture of that verb and send it to your group, and also mark your attendance if you don't mark the attendance in the morning. Okay? Okay, everyone just mark the attendance and send the picture of this exercise in the group.
Oh,
Okay, just mark it. Now you will join again.